Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am John Rose S. Luntao, 37 years old, married, have two daughters, 13 years old and 18 years old. Ma'am and Sir, I am looking for a job as a domestic helper in Hong Kong. I have experience working in United Arab Emirates as domestic helper. My main duties is laundering, cleaning, and taking care of the young children. And also, I have experience working in Hong Kong as domestic helper. My main duties is taking care of the children, 12 years old and 16 years old. My main duties is cleaning, laundering, and cooking. Mom and Sir, give me a chance to work with you, and I will do all my best to do all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you and God bless.